It matters. Where you buy your next vehicle really matters. Pamela Hughes here, and I'm with Rick Trinkle, GM at Larry H. Miller Hyundai Peoria. Now, you've heard me talk about him, so I figured it's time for you to get to meet the man behind the curtain. Rick, tell me why the dealership you choose to buy your next vehicle matters so much.
Well, we believe the community should be better because we're here doing business. A portion of every car sale is donated to Phoenix Children's Hospital in an effort to eradicate pediatric cancer.
Yeah, you know, PCH is near and dear to both of our hearts, and I loved seeing you at Give-a-thon this year.
I'm a father of 3, and I can't imagine a better cause than to support that organization, and we're proud to be part of raising $1.7 million this year.
You know, it's unusual to hear a car dealership that is so passionate about giving back to the community.
It's part of who we are at Larry H. Miller Hyundai Peoria.
And that's why it matters where you do business. Go see Rick and the team at Larry H. Miller Hyundai Peoria or online, LarryMillerHyundai.com.